In today's video, I'm going to teach you lovable.dev tutorial, how to use Lovable AI to create a website. First, open your favorite web browser and go to lovable.dev. This is where the magic happens. On the homepage, you'll see a clear space to begin. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your project saves properly. Take a quick moment to get oriented. Look for the prompt field where you'll describe the website you want Lovable AI to build. Next, type your prompt in that field to create your application. Your prompt is the blueprint, so be as specific as you can the first time. The initial prompt carries the most weight and will shape the overall structure, style, and features of your site. Describe the site's purpose, the pages you need, your preferred tone and visual style, and any key sections or actions you want visitors to take. For example, you might say you want a modern, responsive homepage with a hero section, an about page, a services grid, a contact form that sends notifications, a blog index with tags, and a clean color palette with accessible contrast. Mention navigation labels you prefer, any footer details, and performance or SEO considerations like fast load times and meaningful meta descriptions. When you're satisfied, submit the prompt and let Lovable AI generate the site. After generation, explore the result carefully. Preview each page thoroughly to see how your prompt was interpreted. If something isn't quite right, refine your wording and run it again. Small phrasing changes can lead to big improvements. Keep your language clear, avoid jargon the model might misread, and prioritize what truly matters for your audience. Once you're happy with the output, it's time to check your website's functionality and verify that everything works. Click through every link in the header and footer. Test buttons, forms, and any interactive elements to make sure they respond as expected. Try different screen sizes to confirm the layout is responsive on mobile and tablet. Open the site in another browser or an incognito window to simulate a fresh visitor. Look for broken images, placeholder text that needs updating, and any accessibility issues like missing alt text or unclear headings. If you find issues, adjust your prompt descriptions and regenerate until the experience feels smooth, fast, and consistent. That's it. Congratulations. You've used Lovable AI to create a functional website, starting with a clear prompt and finishing with a thorough quality check.